Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about my Blackrapid Camera Strap. So I'm a professional saltwater fishing guide, but one of my hobbies growing up has always been photography. And you know, as you get into more photography, you get into more stuff, just like any kind of hobby. But a lot of people wear these camera straps that are just go around your neck, and they're really uncomfortable and all that kind of stuff, and it's hard to work the camera and whatnot. But this Blackrapid strap is on a swivel that hooks to the camera, so you can put it on there. You can wear it over your shoulder depending on if you're right or left-handed. So you put it on like this. As you can see, it's hanging down here to the side, and anytime I need to come up, I can just come up and raise the camera like that. You can drop it, makes your camera secure. You know, you don't have to worry about it falling down or anything. It's got a place to put extra stuff in here, a little pouch. This thing comes down, you've got memory card slots and all that kind of stuff. It's magnetic, it's just magnetic right there, but it just comes with a little screw thing that you can unscrew where your tripod goes in, and it's got the little carabiner that locks in, so it's safe and secure. But as you see, it just swivels around, goes everywhere, goes up and down, and it's just easy. And they also make, this is the single camera one, they also make one where it's got two cameras, so you can put one on each side. It's comfortable, so if you're walking around theme parks or the woods or whatnot, you know, it's out of the way, doesn't get in the way. And like I said, anytime you need to go use it, you can just drop it up, get a picture, drop it. You can grab your other camera if you have to. But it's the Blackrapid Camera Strap. If you're looking for a nice camera strap, I highly suggest you get one of these. You're going to be just as happy with it as I am. Thank you for watching. Everybody have a great day. Thank you.